Hey, this is Daryl Henry, and this video is how to choose your insurance broker. I'm going to walk you through 5 criteria that you can use to evaluate your insurance broker and give you some thoughts on it as I go. So, at the end, you should have some criteria on how to evaluate the insurance broker that's handling your property and casualty insurance. And also, there's going to be a link to an article, 44 questions you can use to interview your insurance broker. You can use that as a resource as well. All right, so the first one that you can use is what is their experience with your marketplace? And there's a couple of levels to this. One is the broker that you're dealing with, the agent that's sitting in front of you. How long have they been doing it? How many organizations like yours do they serve? This is going to give you a sense of their knowledge of your business and the insurance companies that work with you. And when you're choosing a broker, what you're choosing is your mouthpiece to the insurance marketplace. So if they don't know how to speak the language of your business, they're going to have a hard time speaking the language to the underwriter. So that's the way you need to mentally think about it. You're thinking about the person that's going to help you frame the story of your business and go talk to the insurance marketplace to procure you the best deal. Which leads me to my second criteria that you can use for evaluating your insurance broker which is what is their plan for approaching the insurance marketplace? So let's walk through the criteria of this bullet point. First, who are the companies they're going to go talk to? What's their relationship with those companies? What do those companies like to see and not see in organizations like yours? What's their plan for creating competition? At the end of the day, the way you as a customer get the best deal is if you have multiple insurance companies competing for your account, which means there need to be multiple underwriters that believe that they have a chance to win your business and that you are an organization they want to insure, which means your broker needs to have a plan on how to talk to those insurance underwriters, get them interested, and then get them competing with another underwriter. That's how you drive your costs down. It's not when brokers compete with each other, it's when underwriters compete with each other. So, the third criteria on how to choose your broker is what kind of guidance can they give you on risk management? So, here's some thoughts about risk management. It's not the most exciting thing. And honestly, risk management for you as an insurance buyer, I think it really only has as much value as it does the ability to bring more insurance underwriters to the table. Yes, it makes a difference in terms of managing risk within your organization. If they can help you think through driver training and fleet safety and employee safety and lifting training, this is all good. And safety is a way that you can create a competitive advantage. But for most organizations, they implement risk management to bring insurance underwriters to the table so that they can pay less for insurance. And so, risk management with the broker many times is what types of risk management do the underwriters want to see in order for them to be interested in insuring your account, which also ties back to agents' understanding of your marketplace. If they understand the risk management that you need to have in place, they're going to be able to tell the right story to get the right underwriters involved. So, the fourth criteria is ongoing support. How many customer service reps do they have on staff? What's their level of expertise? How long have they been with the organization? Are you going to have a dedicated rep? Are you going to have an agent that's going to work with you? Or are you going to be put into a small business unit with less experienced people? These are the kinds of questions that you ask. The truth is, most agencies are good at reactive service. They wouldn't be, if they weren't, they wouldn't be in business. That's the truth. But what you want to know is, are you getting the top flight people or are you getting the people that are in training? Because that's going to impact how fast certificates come out, what type of knowledge they have, how long it's going to take to get responses, the level of support you're going to get. And then the fifth way to evaluate your insurance broker is, what does the renewal process look like? I think most people, one of their greatest fears is they'll sign up with a new insurance broker and then never see them again. It's nice that first year, but what does two, three, four, and five look like? And so it's important to hear from the broker. What's their long term strategy for your account? How are they going to manage your reputation in the marketplace? How often are they going to approach the marketplace? When are they going to start the renewal process? What does the process look like? How are they going to make sure that you don't get last minute renewals and last minute surprises? Everybody hates last minute surprises. So, what are they going to do to manage that and make sure it doesn't happen to you? These are questions to ask so that you can understand what your ongoing experience is going to be like. Because most people, the way they talk about their insurance and their insurance brokers, I feel like I pay too much because, and it's everything after that because that's so important. It's because I get last minute renewals with big increases, because I don't understand what's available to me, because I feel like I have no options and I get boxed in. So if there isn't a good strategy in the long term, you're going to end up feeling trapped all over again, which means you want to have a broker with a good, solid negotiation strategy and long term plan for your account. There you go. Those are 5 criteria you can use to evaluate your insurance broker and make a good decision on how to choose your insurance broker. If you have any questions for me, my contact information is at my website, insuranceforontrepreneurs.net. If this was helpful, please hit like and subscribe. It helps other people like you find the content. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Go build something great.